There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk in diamond black crystal pearl. With bi-XENON HID headlamps, headlamp washer, 20-inch aluminum wheels, BREMBO 6-piston front brakes, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 36 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TRAC system, heated second row seats, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5578.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.